Special greetings my dear students. Today you are going to learn animate CC. First of all, what is this animate CC? This animate CC is used to create animation. Okay, this animate CC is used to create a animation. Sir, what type of animation we can able to create? Whatever animation, cartoon films you are seeing, okay, that all cartoons are developed by animation software. Okay, if you learn this animate CC, okay, after learning this animation software animate CC, whatever animation you are going to make, okay, like Chota Bheem or Dora Buchi, like that, what animations you are seeing, you also can able to make such type of animation with help of this animate CC software. Okay, now here in this class we are going to learn only the basic things. Okay, you are going to learn only the basic things. When I clicked animate CC, this is a window opened. Mostly how we will start animate, start, and we will go to the all program and we will select animate CC. Okay, but this is the advanced version. Now after selecting this, just select ActionScript 3.0. So now this is a window of the animate CC. Now let's see the components of the animate CC. First of all, this is a menu bar. We will get the menu options. Okay, this is a menu bar, and this is a properties. What the tools we are selecting here, based on that property we will get. And here is a toolbox. This is a toolbar. Okay, here you will get so much of tools. And this is a library, timeline, and this is a stage where we are going to create a animation. Okay, this is a stage where we are going to create a animation. After, now see here, first of all, drawing a tool. My dear student, this animate CC is very difficult. No, it is not like that. Okay, what tools we are saying, we are seen in a painting. Okay, see here, painting I am opening. Here, what tools are presented in this painting, same tool presented here. You can able to see. Only few tools are there, one or two new tools you are going to learn. Okay, what tools are here, same tools will be present in animate CC also, but only few tools we are going to learn newly. Okay, now kindly share. First of all, they given a drawing object here, timeline. This timeline denotes the timing of your animation. In this place you may create a new layer and all. Again I am saying this is a menu bar, toolbox, property, library, stage. Okay, and what the option we are selecting, we will get option here. Okay, we will get option here. So this are the basic component of animate CC. Now in your book they given drawing a object. Okay, now here you can able to see this is a rectangular tool. Just select draw. This is a rectangle tool. Okay, in case if you want edge in a corner, edges is there in your book they given. It is very simple. Here you can able to see rectangular option. Here you can give the value. If I give 30 point or 20 point, okay, enter. Sorry, it is 2000, not possible. Enter. Now see, I am drawing another rectangular. Some edge is there. If I give 14, enter. Now another edge is there. Sir, only point. Here is a knot. You can able to adjust. Now see here. Okay. So this is a This is a way to make edge in a rectangular. Sir, I want to circle. Yes, here is a circle tool. Just select, click and drag. Sir, if I want to change the color, Same in painting, how we are saying in a same in this tool bottom, here is a paint bucket. Okay, you may select the tools. I am selecting a blue color. Now it became blue color. Okay, now you can able to see in a stage only plus icon is there. Sir, if I want to move this rectangle, if I want to move this vowel, circle, both are same. If I want to move, how we can able to move? In a toolbar, okay, in a toolbar we may say this is a selection tool. Okay, sub selection tool, selection tool. With help of these tools we may move this shapes, objects. Now I am selecting this. Select it, click, drag. Okay, click and drag. Now I am moving this object, correct? Sir, if I want to move this, same, click and drag. If I want to move this, click and drag. Actually this is outside shading, it is no need for you. Are you getting? Okay, selection tool is used to what? Move the objects. Okay, selection tool is used to move the objects. Now, sir, I don't want to move. I want to increase the size. I want to increase the size of what? I want to increase the size of the object. Sir, how we can able to increase? Very simple. Here is a free transform tool is there, correct? This free transform tool is used to increase and reduce the sizes. Now I selected that, click here. Now see, with help of these dots, you may increase or you may decrease. Wherever I am selecting, these dots are there, we may increase or you may decrease. Correct? Okay, this all things okay. Again I am opening another file. Okay, one more rectangle. Okay, one more shape I inserted. So now in your book they given line. Okay, how to draw line? Simple. Here is a line. Here you can able to see. Just click it. Draw the line over. Sir, I want a different style. Here in a property, you can able to see so much of difference. What the style we are selecting, based on that you may get. You can now see here. This is a style. You cannot able to see, so better I may select some other. Only this much styles are there. Okay. So now I want to make it curve. Select the tool, selection tool, move your mouse cursor. Okay. When you are moving, it is coming what? Downside one vowel is coming, click and drag. This is called what? Curving the line. This is called what? Curving a line. Okay. Again. Okay. This is called what? Curving a line. Simple. Click, drag. If you want to make it curve, select the selection tool, move your mouse cursor, click and drag over. Now next one, polystar tool. Here you may see the polystar. Okay. Now this is a polystar. My dear students, actually in this version my laptop is not supporting, that's why I am getting polystar like this. Okay. So this is a polystar. Okay, just to move, I am inserting one more new file. Select polystar, click and drag. Okay, click and drag with help of selection tool, move one place to another place. Okay. This is the outline. It always comes like this. You have to tell. Now polystar came. Correct. If you want to make any modification in property, here just select. Here you may make any modification as your wish. Okay. Here you can able to changes of the color. Okay. After this, after polystar, pen is there. I hope you are knowing pen tool. I don't want to say more. Okay. I don't like to say regarding pen tool, but now we will see the two important main tools. Okay, two important main tool. One is a first one is a polygon. Sorry, first one is a laser tool. First one is a laser tool. Okay, you should know this laser tool. Okay, first one is a laser tool. After laser tool, another tool is there, that is wait a while. First we will see the laser tool. Here is a laser tool. Okay, just one click. Okay, with help of this laser tool, okay, we can able to select the object. Just click and drag. Click and drag. Now this particular area is selected. With help of selection tool, you may move the selected object. Are you getting? Again I am saying, select a laser tool, select the area. Just I am drawing in middle. Okay, you cannot able to see properly. Just I made one circle. Now the circle area is selected. Now with help of selection tool, click and drag. Okay, click and drag. Okay, laser tool over. Now after laser tool, next one is a polystar. Okay, next one is a polystar. These two tools are important for you. Okay, in this chapter, what are things you learned? You learned basic components. You learned basic components. After basic components, toolbox. Okay, toolbar also we may say. In toolbar, what the tools available in a painting? Okay, same tools available here also. But few things. What are the new tools you learned here? Lasso. After polystar. These two are the new tools you learned here. Okay, these two new tools you learned. Okay, laser tool, if you say, it is used to select irregular shapes. Irregular shapes. But polygon is used to select regular. Polygon is to select what? Regular shapes. Sir, what are the irregular and regular? Irregular, wherever we draw. Okay, wherever we draw, that place will be selected. But in regular shape, it will select in a straight line. It will select in what? It will select in a straight line. Okay, again I am saying, laser tool is to select regular shapes. What are the regular shapes? Wherever we are drawing that particular area, it will be select. But laser polygon tool, it is used to select irregular shapes. What are irregular shapes? It will be in a regular shapes. What are regular shapes? In a straight line. Example, kindly see here. Now just to click, we are getting polygon. I am clicking, dragging. Now you can able to see the straight line. I am trying to move, but it is coming where? It is coming what? Straight line only. Okay, now that area is selected. Now click and move over. Okay, click and move over. Okay, these are the things we have to learn. Okay, so this, which chapter is this? This is the 9th chapter. It is over. Next class, okay, we will see how to create a animation. How to create animation. Okay, simple animation. If I make that, so this chapter will be over. We can move to next chapter. My dear student, this chapter you have to understand and you have to write by your own words. Okay, full and full, only practical oriented. Okay, thank you my dear students. Thanks for watching. Thank you.